Yes, sir. We are at the Powerhouse, man. We got to show y'all. We got a little lineup going here with my boy Real Fishing with Lee.
Yes, sir, baby. Got them mad cats out
Got
there,
Pluto
boy.
down there. Look at him getting baited up. So we finna try to find us one or two, man. We'll get back to y'all.
Yeah.
Fish on! Fish on! Oh yeah, he at the water already.
Now, that was that beaver.
Oh, no.
Got a fish on dead end. First trip of the year for me. Fish on dead end.
How you gonna do it, Jazz?
What's
Yeah,
crazy
real,
is, I'm gonna go
real.
down there and get him. What's crazy is, bro,
Oh, I
I've been
see
watching
him.
this
I
one.
see him.
I've been watching this one the whole time.
I
And
see
this
him.
hey, this the perch.
Perch.
Yep.
Perch.
First.
First.
I got to cross over. Come over with these two.
Nah, cause he under that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you good, you good. Louise, better got a fish on. Hell yeah, get your piece of candy tonight. Yes, sir. Hit that like button. Smash that like button, baby.
I don't want this.
Good deal. I ain't gonna lie. Is it a catfish? Yeah. Bro, are you sure, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, little channel rat. Nah, it's a channel. Oh yeah, wait till I go get this fish. All right, somebody hold this. I'm gonna go get it. All right, come this way. Come under this rod. I'll hold it.
Daddy, are you going to get him?
Yes, sir. My boy, Mr. Rig 'em Up Reels. First fish of the trip.
Hey, look, the cat going to get it for you.
They gotta get his fish. Uh-oh, I think I left some grip something. I about to say, I got some in my bag. I mean, I don't need them. Yeah, I know. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, Jay, that's a nice channel cat, boy. Yes, sir. Hold on, let me zoom in for you.
I just spit in the water too. Right before you come. Look at the cat.
Yes, sir. First fish.
They need to put an elevator over.
Yeah, my thing is, bro, they know we not gonna fish from up here the whole time. Alright, why not put some stairs going to the water?
Hey, Lee. Glad I brought a brown.
Right. Let's go, baby. Y'all, what's up, man? Flip the camera. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up, happy people? Let's do it. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, Steve. Let's go.
Mr. Pop It Nasty.
Look at 5 doors.
There we go.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
What?
Huh?
Get the hook out right quick so you can reel them up.
All right, just say when. My buddy just caught fish number 1. Yes, sir. Off the old perch.
Alright, Lee, reel up.
Off that old perch body section. He bringing the fish up. Ouch. Where you at? Oh yeah, nice little channel cat daddy. Hold on, I can grab him like this. Cause he's a little guy, I got him.
Yes, sir, Steve.
He cold too, boy. Well, you know he's sitting in the mud. Look how dirty he is. Show live him real quick. My boy Jazz hooked up with number 2. That look like a flat.
It do.
He ain't in.
Digging for the bottom. But nah.
Nah, that's a nice blue. Alright, let me find out. Look, the new lazy ride over here getting broke in. Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice one. Yes, sir.
You can roll all you want, nigga.
It's over with, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perch.
Yeah, that's off the perch.
Perch body section. Nah, that ain't no little one. I ain't gonna lie, Jazz. The weight, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't really think he's hooked good, Jazz. I think, but you can try it. Go ahead. That's a nice one.
Just keep out.
Man, give me the
Right,
rod.
be right back.
Where you going?
He got a fish.
Here, like me some cheese for him. Now, don't eat them all.
Okay.
Good stuff, Jazz. Huh, Mr. Rig 'em Up Reels. Y'all see that mad cat? Look at it. Ha ha. Another one bites the dust.
Alright, be careful with my phone.
Yes, sir. Stood. My boy Jazz, I own one today, but alright, huh? I'm about to swing on that way.
Oh, that's a good fish.
Yeah, I said that.
Good fish. Good fish on the perch. Ah, shit, leave that motherfucker hook straight through the goose of the mouth, boy.
No, not through the goose. Ha ha.
Through the motherfucking goose, boy. Come here.
Yes, sir. Fish number 2 on the bank. Huh?
Told you that perch. Go.
And get what hook it's off of? Iron sight.
Iron side, baby. I ain't gonna hold them iron sides when they pierce, boy.
Yeah.
That bitches be in there. Look high.
Alright. No, I need to I gotta watch my rod. Okay, he's coming up. I ain't lying.
Alright, let's come grab this bastard.
Pluto right there.
I'm looking for somebody's shit.
Daddy, hurry up. Someone's still calling. Look at and hear it. Daddy.
There go fish number 2, people. My boy Rig 'em Up Reels on him, pa. Whew. He got the bait in his mouth? Oh, he got off with the bait.
Hold on. You know, they gotta get the content. Hold on. That's the